bid. I'm at $30 to get 30, 35. I'm at 35, all in and all done. Sold it to you, Tony. $30.
114.
114 the buyer. 114. Lot number 2 is a Farmall 1/16. It's a Farmall 350, 1520. I'm at 15, 20, 20 to bid. I'm at 15, 20 now. $15 now. 20. Have it at $20 to get 20, get 20. Have it at $20 to get 20, 20 to bid. I'm at 15 now. 20. I'm at $20 to get 20 to get now 20. I'm at 15, 20. I'm at 15, 20, 20 to bid. I'm at 15, 20 now. 20. Anybody want to get 17 and a half? I'm at 17 and a half on a Farmall 350. 17 and a half. 15, 17 and a half. Now 17 and a half. Now 20. Now 2 and a half. Got to be 2 and a half. I'm a $20 2 and a half. I'm at $20 to get 250. I'm a $20 to get 2 and a half. You both bid. I took you at 20, 22 and a half. You both bid at the same time, 22 and a half. I'm a $20 2 and a half. I'm at $20 to get 250. I'm a $20 to get 2 and a half. Sold it $20, 122, 122. All right here. Lot number 3 is a Massey Ferguson, and it is a 270 with the box. Box is pretty good, gray box. Did it get $100? Have it at 100? Get 50. $10, 20, 15, 20, 25. I'm a 25. Did it get 20, 25? I'm a $20 to get 25. Did it get 25? I'm a $20, 25. I'm a $20 to get 20, 25. You want to get 25? Did it get 25? Did it get 25? I'm a $20, 25. I'm a $20 to get 25. Did it get 20? Now 5. I'm a 25, all in and all done. I'm a $20 to get 25. Sold it to you, $20, 103, $20, 103 the buyer, 103. All right here, lot number 4 right here is a John Deere 455 front wheel assist. Box just has some discoloring on it. All right here. Take it again about an extra night here. Here we get there now. Now $50. Anybody able to get 50? 25. I'm at 15, 20, $20, 25. I'm at $20 to get 25. Everybody to get 25. Joe, you want to get 25? I'm at $20, 25 and now 30. I'm at $30 to get 30 now 30. I'm at 25 and now $30 to get 30. Everybody to get 30 where? I'm at 25, $30. I'm at $30 to get 25 and now $30 to get 30. Everybody to get 30 now 30. I'm at 30. Tony, do you want to get 30 bucks? I'm at $30. I'm at 25 and now 30. I'm at $30 to get 25 and now $30 to get 30 to bid. I'm at 25 30. Sold it $25 122. $25 122. All right here. Lot number 5 is a 1/16 John Deere R. Oh my, to give it there, and somebody get $50. And to get 50, 15, 20. I'm at 15, 20, 20 to bid. I'm at $20 to get 20. Now 20. I'm at 15, 20. Now 5. I'm at 25 to get 25. Where? I'm at $20, 25. I'm at $20 to get 25. To get 20. Now 5. I'm at $20 to get 25. To get 20. Now 5. I'm at $20, 25. I'm at $20 to get 20. 25. I'm at $20 to get 25. To get 20. Do you want to get 5 to bid? Sold it $20 103. $20, 103. All right, now we got a McCormick Deering W30. All right here, McCormick W30, lot number 6 right here. And somebody get $50. You want to get 10, 20, 15, 20. I'm a $20, now 20, now 5. I'm a 25, 5 to bid. I'm at $20 to get 25, to get 22, 2 and a half. I'm at $20, 22, 2 and a half. I'm at $20 to get 2, 50. I'm a $20 to get 2. Do you want to get 2 and a half? To get now 5. I'm a 25, 5 to bid. I'm a 25, y'all do to get 25. One more time, 25. You probably own one, don't you? 25.
I got a 15.
25, I'm a 25, I'm a 25, I'm a 22 and a half, 25, I'm a 22 and a half, 25, even to get 25, to get 25, sold it, 22 and a half.
104.
104 the buyer, 104.
There's a big one.
All right, lot 7 is a Hydro 100. Oh my, with a canopy. Now take it again, give 50. Anybody want to get 50? Do you want to get 50? Anybody want to get 50? 25. I'm a 25, 5, 30. I'm a 25 and now 30. I'm a $30 to get 30, to get 5, now 40. I'm at a $40 to get 40, get 40 now 5. I'm at a $40, 45. I'm at a $40 to get 45, to get 40 now 5. I'm at a 45. Do you want to do it? I'm at a 45. You want to get 45, 45, 45. It's a gray box. 45. I'm at a 45. I'm at $40, 45. I'm at a $40 to get 45, to get 40 now 5. I'm at a 45 to get 40, 45. I'm at a $40, 45. I'm at a 45. I'm at a 45, 45, $40 to get 45, to get 45. Sold it $40. You got her bought $40, 107. 107.
I don't like them WDs. They got the wrong back wheels on them.
Lot number 8 is an Alice Chalmers WD-45. Who am I to give it there? Now take it again. 50. And to get 5, 10, 10, 15, 20, $20 to get 5, and now $30 to get 40, to get 40. I'm at a $40 to get 40, 35. You want to do that? 35. Now 40. I'm at a $40 to get 40. I'm at 35, $40. I'm at 35 and now 40. I'm at 35 and now $40 to get 40 and to get 40. I'm at 35, 40. I'm at 35, 40, 40 to bid. I'm at 35 and now 40. I'm at 35 and now $40 to get 40 and to get 35, 40. Sold it $35, 116. $35, 116. All right here, lot number 9 is an 8 Super M and Super H. All right, lot number 9 right here. Take it again to buy the next one right there, $100. I'm at 100, I'm going to give 1 to bid, 50, 25, 30. I'm at 30, I'm going to give 5 now 40. I'm at 40 now 40. I'm at 35, 40. I'm at 40, I'm going to give 40 now 40 now 40 now 50. You want to get 50 now 60 now 70. I'm at 65. You want to do that 65 and now 70. I'm at $70. I'm at $70 now 5. I'm at $70. I'm going to get 75. I'm at $70. I'm going to get 75. I'm going to get 75. I'm at $70. 75. I'm at $70. 75. I'm at $70. I'm going to get 75. I'm at $70. I'm going to get 75. You guys want to get 75? $70. 75. Sold it. $70.
The internet's not buying much.
Number 100.
That's
Number
it.
100.
100.
It's Fran. Right here. Take it again to find an extra right there. Lot number 10 is an F20 right here. I'm at 15, 20. I'm at 15, now 20. I'm at only down to get 20. I'm at $20 now 20, 20 to bid. I'm at $20 to get 20 now 20. I'm at
I got
15,
enough of
20
them
now.
too.
You want to do it? I'm at $15 now 20, 20 to bid. I'm at 15. Do you want to get 20 to get now 20? I'm at $20 now to get 20, get 20, get 20. Yes, you should. I'm at $20. You
got-
own more of those than anybody in Ohio probably. $20.
I got enough
I'm at
of them.
$20
I
now
got
5. I'm at $20 to get 20, 25. I'm at $20
I'm
to get
mad.
25. To get 2, 2.5. I'm a $20, 22, 2.5. I bet it only down to get 2, 2.50. Sold it $20. Number 6, the buyer. $20. Number 6. Get a Mountain Dew now. Right, lot number 11 is a International 1466 Turbo Special Edition with the red cap.
I'll bet you that one farm
Right
you
here. So I'm
surveyed,
gonna
I
give
bet you
$100.
those
I'm at
tractors
100.
are
I'm
still
gonna
sitting
give
back
1
there
to
and tried
bid.
to
I'm at
get 'em for you.
25, 30. I'm at 25, $30. I'm at $30 to get 30 now. 30 now 30 now 40. I'm at 30, 40 now. I'm gonna get 40. I'm at 40 special edition gray box. I'm at $40. I'm at 35 and now 40 now 5. I'm at $40 to get 45. I'm at get 45. I'm at $40 45. I'm at $40 to get 45. 45. You want to do 45? I'm at 45. Did you get go good with that one? 45. It's a gray box also. 45. I'm at 45. You want to get 42, 2.5. I'm at $40 to get 2, 2.50. I'm at $40, 42, 2.5. I'm at $40 to get 42, 2.5. I'm
Fair
at $40 to get 2, 2.50.
We had
I'm at $40, 42, 2.5. I'm at $40 to get 2,
Tractor rodeo or whatever. I drove a Ford just like that.
100. Number
Where the rest of the
100,
guys in the
Fran
4-H
Meister
club
again.
use an H farm
All right,
hall.
lot number 12 is a Ford 116, 981. Oh my, to give it there. Now take it again. $50. Maybe get 50, 15,
That Ford
20.
had power
I'm at $20.
steering.
I'm going to get 20 now. 20. I'm
Back
at
a
15,
wagon real
20
good
now.
with it.
20. Do you want to get 20? To get now 20. Tony, do you want in there? 20
Tricycle
bucks.
front end.
I'm at $20. I'm going to get 20. 20 to bid. I'm at $20
I remember
now.
what
5. I'm
tricycle
at
or white
25.
front.
To get 25.
I
I'm
know.
at $20. 25. I'm at $20.
I know it's a diesel.
To get 20 now. 5. I'm at $20.
And idle a
to get
little
5. I'm going to
faster
get
than a lot of
25. I'm at $20. 25. I'm at $20 to get 20. 25. I'm at $20 to get 25. And thank you now 30. I'm at 25. 30 now 5. I'm at $30 to get 35. To get 30. Do you want to get 5? 5 to bid. Sold it to you. $30. Number is $30. 109. 109.
Well, I'm gonna keep.
All right, yes, now take it again,
Sell it
tell
other
Tiffany,
hours.
now JD 116, 50, 20, oh my, to give it there, now take it again, to do it again, now find an extra 9 here, we get there, $50, and we get 50, do you want to get 50, 25, I'm at 25, 25, it's a one hole, 25, JD, how much, I'm at 15, 20, I'm at 15, 20, 20, now 5, I'm at 25, JD, again, now 30, I'm at $30, to get 5, 5, now it's gotta be 35, I'm at $30, 35, I'm at the down front here, $30, 35, I'm at 35, JD, to get 5, to get 35, I'm at $30, 35, I'm at $30, to get 35, to get 30, now 5, I'm at $30, to get 35, to get 30, now 5, 5 to bid, 35, do you want to do it? Sold it, $30, 116, 116. All right, right here. Now, lot 14 is a Case IH 1680 combine, 2 heads. All right, the box does have some tearing right there. All right, right here, and somebody get $50, and we get 50, 25. I'm a 25, 5 to bid. I'm a 25, give 25. I'm a 20, now 5. I'm a 20, to get 25. I'm to get 25. I'm at a $20, 25. I'm a 25, and now 30, to get 30, now 5. I'm a 35, 5 to bid 40. I'm a 35, 40. I'm a 35, 40, to get 40, now 40. I'm a 35, and now 40, to get 40, and to get 35, 40, to get 40, and to get 35, 40. I'm a 35, $40. I'm a 35, and now 40, to get 35, 40, now 40, now 40, 40 to bid. I'm a 35, 40. Sold it. $35 right here. Bid number is 122, the buyer. 122. All right, right here. Now we got an Alice Chalmers D21. All right, lot 15. Box is gray box. Got the good gray box. Now take it again about $100. I'm at 100. I'm going to get 15, 20, $20. I'm going to get 5. Now 30. Now 40. Now 50. Do you want to get 50? 60. I'm at $50 now. 60. Do you want to get 60? And a bit of it now 60. And a bit of it now 50. 60. I'm at $50 now. 60. And we get 55. 50. Do you want to get 5? And a bit of it get 50. Do you want to get 5? And a bit of it get 55. I'm at $50. 55. I'm at 50. Do you want to get 5? every other bit to get 50? Do you want to get 5 every other bit to get 50? Do you want to get 5 every other bit to get 55? All in and all done. Sold it $50, $116, $50, $116. All right, we got lot 16 is a 6388 four-wheel drive. All right, the box is box just has
Oh, my buddies
just,
now used
it's
to
like
call
got
me
damn,
Andy.
it's been worn. I'm a $30 5. I'm a $30 to get 35. I'm a $30 to get 35. High to bid 40. I'm at a $40 50 to get 40 50. I'm at a $40 to get 50 and a bit to get 50. Now 50. I'm at a 40 50. $50 60. Now 60. Now 70. Now 70. Do you want to get 70? Do you want to get 70 and a bit to get now 70? I'm at $60 now 70. Do you want to get 70 and a bit to get now? Do you want to get 70 and a bit of bone in? I'm at $60 now 70. Do you want to get 70 and a bit to get now 70? Do you want to do it? 65. Anybody want to do 65? Sold it $60. Where you at? How?
Down front.
Right down front? Yeah. $60. 107 the buyer. 107. 107. All right, lot 17 right here. Take it again as a case 800 special edition. Oh my, 50 and able to get 50. Lot 17, 50. Do you want to get 50 and able to get 25, 30? I'm a 25 and now $30. I'm a 30 Tony. Do you want to get 30? I'm a 25 and now $30. Able to get 25 and now $30. Able to get 30 and able to get 40. I'm at a 40, 40 to bid. I'm a 35, 40 now 40 now 40. Do you want to get 35, 40 now? Dickie, you got to be 40. I'm a 35, 40. I'm a 35 and now 40. Able to get 40 and able to get 35, 40 now. Do you want to get 40? Able to get 35, 40. All in and all done. I'm a 35, $40. I'm a 35 and now 40. Able to get 40, 40. Able to get, you want 40 now 40. I'm a 35, 40. You're way how? $35. 120 the buyer. 120. Oh, it's funny. Lot 18 is a Super MTA Special Edition. All right, gray box lot 18. Somebody get $20, 30. I'm a $20 to get $30 now 40. I'm at a $40 to get 50. Do you want to get 50 and a bit to get 40, 50? I'm at a $40 to get 50 and a bit to get 40, 50. I'm at a $40, $50 to get 50. Do you want to get 40, 50? I'm at a $40 to get 45. And to get 45, 5 to bid. I'm at a 45. I'm at $40, 45. I'm at a $40 to get 45. And a bit to get 40. Now 5. I'm at a 45 to get 45. To get 45. Sold it $40. 100. Fran, 100. All right, now, lot 19, Tiffany, taking a minute now, lot 19 right here, case IX 135. Oh, my maximum right here, give 100, I'm at a 100, I'm going to give 1 to bid, I'm at a 50, and we get 50, 25, 30, I'm at 25 and now 30, I'm going to get 30, and I'm going to get 30, now 30, now 30, do you want to get 30? Yeah. I'm at 30, 40, I'm at 35, 40 now, 40 now, 40, got to be 40, do you want to get 40, and I'm going to get 35, 40, I'm at 35, $40, I'm at 35 and now 40, I'm going to get 40, I got 40, now 5, I'm at 45, 5, do you want to get 45, now 50, I'm at 50, now 60, I'm at 50, 60, do you want to get 55, does that help you? 55, I'm at 50, 55, I'm at 50, down to get 55, I'm to get 50, do you want to get 5, I'm to get 50, do you want to get 5, I'm to get 50, do you want to get 5 to bid? Sold it $50, you got her bought, $50, 112 the buyer, 112. All right, yeah, you're only a couple hundred off. All right, right here, lot 20. Lot 20 right here. Take it again. I'm to get $1,000. I'm $1,000 to get 300, 400. I'm a 300 out of it to get 400. Now 5. I'm at 500 out of it to get 5 to bid. I'm at 500 out of it to get now 6, $600 now 7, now half. I'm at 7 half and now 8 to bid 760, now 770. I'm at 760, 770. I'm at 770. Do you want to get 770? I'm at 760, 770. I'm at 770. I'm at 760. Do you want to get 770? And to get now 770. I'm at 770. I'm at 760 now 70. Do you want to get 70 and a bit now? Do you want to get 770? I'm at 760, 770. Do you want to get 760 now? Do you want to get 70 and a bit now? 770. Do you want to do it? $760 sold. Jay Ackley. Bid number 102. 102. All right, right here. Take it again to buy the next night here. Here we get there now. What are you going to do here? Oh my, to give it there now. Take it again to buy the next night here. We got an Oliver 1755, and those are good originals. That would be a 1973. All right, now take it again to buy the next night there. Oliver 1755 right here, and somebody give $100. I'm at 100. I'm going to give one to bid 50. Do you want to get 50? Do you want to get 50? 25, 30. I'm at 25 and now 30. Now I'm going to get 30. Now I'm going to get $40. Thank you. Now 50. Now I'm going to get 50. Now 50. Now 50. I'm at 50. 50. Do you want to get 50? Do you want to get 50? Do you want to get 50? And I'm going to get 45. 50. I'm at 45. 50. Guys, these are 2 tractors worth the money. Hey partner, give 50. $50. It's well worth it. $50. I'm at 50, 50. Do you want to get 45? 50. Do you want to get 45? Do you want to get 50? And I'm going to get 45, 50. I'm at 45, 50. Do you want to get 45? 50. Do you want to get 50? And 50. Now 60. Now 60. I'm at 60 to bid. I'm at 50. Do you want to get 60? And I'm going to get now 60. Do you want to get 50? Do you want to get 60? And I'm going to get now. Do you want to get 60? And I'm going to bone in. Sold it $50. 118. $50. 118. Right here. Take it again about an extra nine here. Lot number 22 is an 1855. It's an original 2. It'd be a 1973 also. I'm a 25.30. I'm a 25 and now 30 down to get 40 down to get 40 now 40. How about a 40 down to get 40 now 50 45. How about a 40 down to 45. How about a 40 down to get 45. Okay, the other one's a 73. This one's not the same. Nope, this is a national show. This is a national show. I said it wrong. It's a 1987 from the national show. That one is. Your other one is an original. I knew I had 2 of them there. I thought they were together. There should be another one here that's a 73 then. Okay, so it's a 1987. I'm glad we caught that. You want to be $25 national show. 25, 30, $30 5, 35, 30. You want to get 32 and a half, 32 and a half, 35. I'm a 32 and a half, 35. I'm a 32 and a half, 35. I'm a 32 and a half. Do you want to get 5? To get 35. I'm a 35. 5 to bid. I'm a 35. Thanks for catching that. 35. To get 35. To get 35. I'm a 32 and a half, 35. Do you want to get 2 and a half? 5. Sold it. 32 and a half. 118. The buyer. 118. All right here. Now, lot 23 is an international 966. Right here. Take it again. Got the good pegs on the front wheels. Now, take it again. About an extra 9 here. Here we get there. $100. How about a 100? I'm able to get 1 to bid. How about a 100? I'm able to get 50. And to be able to get 25, 30. I'm a 25, $30 now 5. I'm a 35. How did you get 35? I'm able to get 35. I'm a 35. Do you want to do it? I'm a $30, 35. I'm a 35. Did you get 35? I'm able to get 30 now 5. That's an original 35. I'm a 35. How to bid. I'm a 35. Did you get 35? And now 40. I'm a 40. How to get 40? And able to get 35, 40. I'm a 35 and now $40. I'm a 40 down to get 35 and now 40 down to get 40 to bid. I'm a 35 and now 40 down to get 40 where? Sold it. $35, 118. $35, 118. All right here. Lot 24 is a farm all cub. Oh my, to give it there. 15, 20. I'm at 15, 20. 20 to bid. I'm a $20 now 5. I'm a 25. I'm at a $20, 25. I'm at a $20 to get 25. I'm to get 20. Even to get 5. I'm to get 25 on a cub. I'm a 22 and a half now 5. I'm a 25. 5 to bid. Do you want to get now 7 and a half? 27 and a half. I'm at a 27 and a half and now 30. I'm a 30 down to get 30. 30 to bid. I'm a 30 down to get 30. Never to get 30. Do you want to do it? $30. I'm a $30, $30. I'm a now 2 and a half. 32, 2 and a half. I'm a $30, 32, 2 and a half. I'm a 30 down to get 2. Do you want to get 2 and a half? To get 30 down to sold it. $30, number 6. $30, number 6.
That costs more than a real one.
All right here. Now take it again about an extra 9. Yeah. Right here. Lot 25 is a Cub Special Edition. It's the white one, lot number 25. Oh my, to give it there. $50. And make it 50. 20.